Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I have a little haul to share with you guys. I'm going to show you Izabaro Czech glass crystal stones. These are Chatons. They come in a whole bunch of different shapes. There's Rivolis, Teardrops, there's cushion cut, all different shapes. Anyways, I'm going to show you these stones that I got from Czech Beads Exclusive, also known as Krraftika. I'm going to put the website where I got these stones from down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to link all of these individually down there below in the description bar. Alright, so let's go ahead and open these up. These are gonna blow your mind. I have never seen stones like these before. Okay, so let's start with this blue one here. It's one of my favorites. This is the first time that I'm seeing this color foil on the back. Usually when we see the foil on the back, it is silver or like a bronzy color, but this actually has turquoise on the back, and look at that. Look what that does. Isn't that amazing? That is so gorgeous. I love that. And I'll flip the other ones over so you can see. But see, it has a blue on the back instead of the regular silver foil or the it's like a bronzy color on the back. Look at how pretty. Those are just gorgeous. I'm going to leave these out but put it on that baggie there. And then I'm going to show you this purple one. So that one has the turquoise back. Oh my gosh. These are so stunning. Look at this one. This one has purple. It's like a lavender purple. On the back there. These are so stunning. Again, these are Czech glass. And the name brand is Izabaro. Those are just so incredible. I'm trying to remember if I have done a tutorial with this shape. I'm coming up on 600 videos, so it's kind of getting hard to remember what I have made. But I love those. They are incredible. I would look at them together. I like the colors together. Those are just unbelievable. And where's the other one? This one here. I think it's this one. Yes, this one might be my favorite. I don't know. I think I'm stuck between the blue one and this one. Look at this. There is a pattern in there. Do you see that? How do they do that? So this is the color we usually see. This is the color I was trying to explain. It's not silver. It's kind of like a golden bronzy color on the back, right? See, this is painted. This is the first time I'm seeing a color like this on the back of the stone. But look at that. This one has a pattern. It looks like a mandala or mandala. It is just unbelievable. Now, the shape of this is actually brilliance cut. So this one here is a Rivoli, has a point on the top and the bottom. This one here has the point on the bottom, but it's the flat on the top. It's actually called a brilliance cut. This is the most popular diamond shape, but I just can't get over that stone. Look at how incredible. Look at the other one. It is just mind-blowing. Oh my gosh, that is so gorgeous. I'm in love. And that color, this is like a rainbow iris, which is one of my most favorite seed beads. I love rainbow iris and bronze, dark bronze seed beads. I just can't stop looking at them. So gorgeous. Okay, I'll set that one on there for now. And then I'll go to this one here. Oops, I just flipped it and they merged. This is so pretty. Those are crazy flashy. Really flashy. So this one has the traditional color I see in the back. Wow, that is pretty. With my hand in the background, it kind of looks like it's gray to me for some reason, but in this, in the white with the other ones, I see purple. Also, I wonder what it's I swear these are picking up colors around me. Those are just so amazing. Okay, moving on. So these here have a setting, which I really like because it makes them easier to use. You don't have to bezel them. You're just attaching them through the holes right there. See that? And these are great for doing rings with because they're pretty simple. And a perfect size for a ring. That's my big finger there. That's my little finger. But those are gorgeous. I love the prong set. So cool. 4 holes. Beautiful. Okay. So there's the red one, and then which one was this? These are more drops, and this is the cushion. Okay, I'm gonna go to these. Recently I did an earring tutorial with this stone, this cushion cut, and I'll put the picture up now while I struggle to get this out of the bag. Okay, I got these out. This barely fit in the bag. So the back of this one is this dark purple. But look at this color. Those earrings that I made in that picture, the pink one, the pink filigrees, they had a green stone. That stone was my favorite. It makes me think that green stone made me think of jadeite glass, which I collect. But look at this. I see so many colors in here. I don't know if the camera shows, but I see like a sapphire blue. I see burgundy. I see purple. It's just amazing. I don't know how they can do this. Those are incredible. Absolutely incredible. So if you like those earrings, you can put the name in the picture in the description, or put the name in the search, and you can find the tutorial for them. But look at them. When I touch them, I get my fingerprints on there, and they're not as sparkly. But look at how gorgeous. Those are just absolutely incredible. And again, these had the purple in the back there. Where's that burgundy? It might be burgundy. Okay. This is the last baggie. And I might fast forward me getting these out. These are stuck too. Okay, there we go. Okay, these are oval, not teardrop. I think I said teardrop earlier. So these have the metallic back that we see all the time. And these also have a lot of different colors in them. It's so amazing. I don't know how they do this. Look at that. I see green. I see pink. I see orange. I see purple. I think I see brown. Look at that. Amazing quality. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, now I'm having a really hard time in which one's my favorite. Those are so incredible. Look at those together. I can't mess up the baggies because I gotta make sure I put them back. Oh, I just can't stop looking at them. That blue turquoise is my fave. Those purple ones are incredible too. I am super excited to play with these. I will be doing a tutorial with these stones, and I'm looking forward. Wow, these are just so incredible. I love those so much. So this is it. I'm going to put links to all of the Izabaro stones that you see here down below in the description bar, and you can go and check these out and get yourself some, okay? So make sure you look down there in the description bar. You will see the links. This is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. These stones are so incredible. They're blowing my mind. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified when I upload new videos, and follow me in my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.